Mommy's going to work. I'll see you later, okay? Mommy will see you later. Okay? Ate Bianca's here. Ate Baba's here. Is that here? Is Mommy? So? I'll see you later. I'll be back later. Okay? Mommy's going to work. Let's see Friday if you can come to our floor. Okay? Okay? Okay. Okay now. Okay now. Okay. I'll see you later. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye now. Okay, I'll see you later. I know. No. Mommy needs to work. Okay? Ata's here. You're not alone. Ata's here. Okay? Good, check. Okay. Sit down. Bye-bye.